Welcome to cooking cheap, easy, and tasty meals. Okay, today we're going to make chicken enchiladas with leftover rotisserie chicken. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some enchilada sauce and add a 1/4 cup to a bowl. This is enchilada sauce that I bought. Then we're going to add about a cup of chopped rotisserie chicken that was left over from the last dish I made with the chicken. To that, we're going to add a can of drained black beans. And we're going to mix that all up. Try and get the beans, chicken, and sauce mixed together. We're also going to add about 1 cup of Mexican shredded cheese. Mix that in also. And that should be our filling mix. Now we're going to make our enchiladas. I'm going to use some flour tortillas. I did not make my own. I bought them at the store. So, first thing, I'm going to put some enchilada sauce in the bottom of the pan. Cover it. I'm going to take a tortilla and I'm going to scoop in the mixture. I'm going to roll them. Not very successfully, but it'll work out. This is another use of leftover rotisserie chicken, which seems to have been on my mind a lot lately, because I seem to end up with about half a rotisserie chicken that we don't eat, which I don't really understand, but I know it is indeed what happens. Obviously, there are quite a few variations of this you could make. You could add hamburger if you didn't want to use chicken. You could use pork. You could make it just beans and have no meat. It would certainly work. And you could certainly add chilies or jalapenos to this to spice it up if you really want to increase the spice level. I'm going to make this last one easier by just scraping this out on it. I'm going to take it and pull it together. We're going to pour the rest of the enchilada sauce on top. Try and spread it around. And I'm going to take the rest of my cheese and sprinkle it on top. And then we'll put it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And here we have chicken enchiladas. Pretty simple to make. Lots of room to change the flavor profile. I'm going to let it rest for a few minutes and then I'm going to serve it. Now, remember the glass is hot. So 1 chicken and black bean enchilada. This is a quick and easy way to use leftover rotisserie chicken. I think you'll find it very tasty also. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give us a like. Thank you.